salted caramel cookies, and I'm gonna make some chocolate chips. So let's show you the
What is it called?
I'm gonna use this,
And I'm gonna use this.
So what we need for that is we need a mixing bowl, a spoon, and some butter. We're gonna need some eggs. So lastly, we'll need some water. And we all need a teaspoon to put in the bowl.
Wow.
So now let's start. Let's get our powder here. Guys, it's chocolate chips. I want to do it. And that should be enough. Oh my god, it's really good. Okay, what else? If I put some more salad, make it look good. I just dumped it all in there. I just dumped it all. Where's the pasta? Stay there. Okay, let's see what we smell here. Which one should I start with first? Do we need eggs? I need one egg. You should have one egg. One egg, please. I'm scared. Oh, there's some brown. I'm scared. What? Ew. I see something red in there. Ew. The egg yolk was in there. Is that a lot of trash gone in here. Bring that in there. I need to go wash my hands. Guys, I'm gonna go wash my hands. I'm just gonna open it. Ew! Ew. I didn't want to dump the whole thing in it. It's supposed to be. It says stick. Stick on mine. I'm gonna go wash my hands again. Why? Because little thing. I'm gonna go back. Guys, I'm gonna use my teaspoon of water now. Oh wait, do I have to smash this? Guys, I'm gonna smash this up. Butter. Yours is disgusting. It has a chocolate chip butter. So I'm gonna smash this, but I'm not gonna use it with the spoon because I'm gonna put water. So I'm gonna use this. I don't want to. Let me smush my butter. Get down, butter, so I can smush you.
added so much water.
What? It's not. Guys, can I eat you? No, not yet. You can eat a chocolate chip, but no rice. Why does it have to be cookie dough? We could have just showed you a video of us eating it. Actually, that might get boring. No. You'll be like, I want to make some cookie chip. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm spinning a bowl.
I'm so in love.
Guys, I don't know if this turning into cookie dough.
I'm not turning into cookie dough.
Guys, I don't know if we have to use it just like slime. No, we don't. We don't have to put our hands in it. I don't know.
Are we gonna put our hands in it?
Guys, I'm thinking this is turning into slime for eating. It kind of looks like it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yours doesn't. It looks like a whole bunch of salt in it. Guys, we are back and our dough is all ready. So now we're gonna just get it with our hands.
I do not touch it already.
This is too tiny. I'm gonna get a big one. Kind of make like a ball. Oh my gosh, is that a huge one? Oh my gosh. Mine a big one. You get that half and I'll get the other half since it's closer to me, okay? This is your half and this is my half, okay?
You know why the tray just moved? Our mom moved it a little bit so we could reach. Or like, so we could reach. Experts. We're like experts. Egg-tastic. Fantastic. It's more like egg-tastic. So funny. Oh, I'm always funny.
Not always. Yeah. This is tiny. This is like a little human.
Oh, I got the butter.
Ew. That's gross. Why would you not mix up it good? Spread it out or else they'll stick together when they're baked. Actually, I kind of like it. It's kind of cool. You already have 3? Haha, I'm both today too. We gotta spread them out very, very much, but not too much. Yeah, spread them out very, very much. Hands are getting very, very gross too. And you're gonna make it not so close to each other. I'm ready for the side if you are.
I'm gonna grab a huge one.
Guys, preheat the oven. So our mom just preheated the oven and our mom's gonna put it in the oven. Since we're just little girls and we're not gonna see you.
Look at this ball.
We're gonna put fast motion. We're gonna oh my god. We're gonna put fast motion and our mom's gonna record the cookies baking in fast motion so you guys don't get bored. So these are the cookies.
Because there's a funny part in this video.
So far.
And I know you're wondering what the funny part is.
We are making some cookies, guys, already.
Don't take off this video because there's a funny part and I'm gonna be doing it.
You're the one who's gonna be doing it?
The funny part's all about me.
Guys, so our mom is preheating the oven. Well, she just finished it. And she's gonna bake these cookies that look amazing. And while she does that, we're gonna clean up. So always remember to wash your hands after and before doing cookies and baking other things and cooking.
And get an adult to help you. No kid's supposed to touch an oven.
Yeah, don't bake it yourself. Ask your adult supervision.
Well, you could put the thing, whatever you're gonna put in the oven, but you could put the thing in the oven, but you have to be careful because you never know when
They only put it in the oven unless their parents are there.
Yep.
And now we're gonna clean with some of these.
Because what if the parents say you can't put it in the oven yet? There you go. See you later.
Guys, we are just picking up this mess on our table.
We don't want any more messes.
Guys, and
Not in our room, not in our bathroom, not on the table, which we're cleaning right now.
guys, I'm pretty sure we are gonna do something in the next video. It's a special thing, just wait and see. It's something, let me give you a hint, guys.
Wait! It's the funny part.
Okay, what's the funny part gonna be?
I put my
That's gross.
It's not even funny.
See you later!
See you later.
So guys, we're back and we got our cookies and we're going to this cool up and I have an idea. Why don't we put them in the fridge?
That will make it too cold. That will make it worse.
Okay, let's just see you guys in a few seconds. When our mom deheats the oven. So now that the cookies are good and nice and fresh from the oven and cold, we are now gonna eat them. But first we gotta take this. Yeah. I'm gonna take.
No, but you took it away from me. Now I'm gonna first.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Oh my god. But you have to break the cookies in pieces. Yeah. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh my! There's a wrapper on
And
it.
just rip it off.
Yeah.
Let me help you rip it off for you.
Oh, it's still on there. I gotta get another one. This is so delicious and good. Oh my sweet cookies! Whoever did it, let's have a look. See how good. That's fair.
Yeah, so amazing.
Guys, it's okay if you eat a little bit wrapper because it'll melt when it's in your body.
Shout out to the person who invented cookies, because cookies are kind of good.
Like cookie. I have another one. Oh, never mind.
Guys, have a nice night. Or day, depending on where you live in. But it's the night for us. And anyways, so guys, have a nice day. We have the slime video in the link down below. But bye, subscribe, share, press the notification bell to see all our videos, and like. Bye. Bye.
Look at that. Hey, camera, record my face.
Mine too.
Camera, record my face too.
I smell the cookies.
Hey.
I want to smell them.
Hey, record my face. Record my face.
I'm going to smell.
Record it.
Smells good, right?